The Charlie Show.
Charlie Show.
Welcome to the party.
Oh yeah, see that jump? It's sick air, dude.
We do have the fastest pilots and golf cart of MultiGP International. But we're waiting for scores to be tabulated.
Everyone's gone.
We do that. It wasn't a donut, it was a bagel. Too close, they're gonna see us. We don't want to get in trouble, so we're gonna turn around.
Well, that was enough fun for the day, don't you think?
Well, I think we got our system at least. There's the beautiful sunsets here in Muncie. I think all this is going to be is wind noise. So.
Yeah, it is.
I think park it.
Let's leave this right meow, yeah?
Right, yeah. Thanks, Jordan. These guys, they have a bag of things that they're going to give away to all the peoples that are waiting patiently. Well, this guy rides his one wheel. Carve it, carve it. Props, take some props. Look at Jeffrey go. Long range is for the birds. It's not true, it's the best.
You want some props?
Reese.
The GPIO, baby.
Did you guys get props? Hey, you guys skipped the golf cart.
Hey, bros.
Hey, Gab.
Can I get some props?
No, we were racing.
You have a nice one?
I do have a live quad, yeah.
You do 6 inch?
5140. We're good?
There you go.
Yeah, always
People
always two. That's the way. That's the way. You hear what the boss said? You hear what the boss said?
What's up?
It's a hot dog.
What's up?
Have you guys seen Hot Dog FPV yet? Go check them out on all the various social media channels. Not only do they chop hot dogs up, there's all sorts of other tomfoolery that goes on. It's great.
Thanks, man.
What are you guys doing over here?
Chilling, waiting for races.
Waiting patiently.
Waiting patiently. And we're a little impatient.
You guys are crushing in the team race.
Thank you very much.
One lap.
I know, we had a good time. It was fun. It was really
I was stoked.
You, cheers on, like, how many hours of miking it was that?
I had a good time.
And you still had a voice afterwards?
It seemed like the time just flew by.
No,
Oh, it was fun though. It was really fun.
it was fun.
Yeah.
It was a blast.
I got to make some Flatlander jokes, which I don't get to do very often, so that was great. Well, I thought you guys were crushing, and I was pulling for you from the behind. So.
thought I could hear it in the voice. There's a little pull for us. I thought so. I was
Totally.
excited. We had an awesome cheering section, and it was.
You guys were in second for like a solid like 2 minutes probably.
Right.
I'm like, they got it. And then there was a pit stop, I think.
Don't take that. Edit that out. You're a great guy.
Cut that.
I mean, our whole team killed it, crushed it. So
Team race is a ton of work because you have to have so many like extra copters and batteries and
tons of it. But totally worth it.
super fun. The most fun I've had racing was at team races like that where we did pit stops. The way we did it, you landed in one copter, plugged in another one, and they took off, and like it worked pretty darn good.
Yeah. It was fun. We had a blast. You did a great job.
You did a great job. I just got to watch and talk about it.
Because of the Jordan Temkin that's got him. He didn't get in.
Did you watch his DVR?
Get stuck in a gate.
Take this. Can I take this?
Did you watch his DVR and he like get the?
No, you got stuck in the gate.
Is there a discrepancy?
No, no discrepancy. Never a discrepancy.
You heard it here first. No
Hold on. Here it is. Let's see. I was told that if the majority of your quad is through the gate, it counts.
Oh God. There's a discrepancy. I'm out of here. That's not what I wanted to see. This guy's the third ranked pilot in the world for X Class right now.
Third, should have really been second. I made it further than you did.
But that's not how they do it. But anyway,
You makes me feel good.
rules are rules.
Technical
Rules are rules.
Technical difficulties is what took me
Technicality.
out, not me driving. I fine.
There you go.
I've been celebrating like I'm first though.
Yeah, it's true.
It's real true. I love you, Charlie, man.
Whoa, he's got no free hands. He's got no free hands.
Let me tell you
Boom.
what, for you, I'll make it for you.
Thanks, man. We'll see you around.
Hey, Hobbywing, be coming to get me soon for X Class.
X Class. J-Day.
J-Day.
My bad.
See you, brother.
Sunday in I.O. We're going through the parking lot. Jordan's doing full Asian driver. Extra swerving. Look, they got the banners. We're coming over here to check for banners. But it looks like the boys already took everything down, so
We not have any banners.
good on them. Frank, what are you doing? Where are we? Say it.
At the 2018 MultiGP International Open.
Wait, let me put my sunglasses on and now say, you're watching the Charlie Show.
And you're watching the Charlie Show.
Well, you know how you do by yourself.
And you're watching the Charlie Show.